Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You must stop and get a parent or guardian involved now. Roblox will not let under 13 accounts use voice. Have a valid government photo ID ready that matches the account name and shows age. Once done, make sure the account DOB is set to 13 or older. Parents can create or edit an account with accurate details. Also confirm Roblox supports voice in your country and install the latest app version, because outdated software often blocks verification steps required for voice chat. Now follow the verification flow together. You will go to Account Settings, then Privacy and Safety, and start the age verification process. Upload the ID image and type the exact name and DOB shown. Once the ID is accepted, complete any selfie or liveness step Roblox requests to confirm identity. After verification, return to Privacy Settings, enable the voice chat toggle, and make sure your device grants microphone permission to the Roblox app, so audio can be captured and transmitted during games. Finish by testing voice in a verified, voice-enabled Roblox experience or the app's test page. Speak and listen to confirm both input and output work. Then adjust in-game voice volume and set privacy to friends or everyone based on how supervised you want sessions to be. If something goes wrong, the main troubleshooting tip is this. Verification often fails for mismatched or blurry ID. Make sure the ID name and DOB match the account exactly. Take clearer photos and retry the verification flow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.